Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. This video is about DIY anti-aging remedies. So the first remedy will work for the oily skin people. Hero ingredient in today's remedy is castor oil. Castor oil acts as an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory. Both of these qualities help fight with free radicals that lower the sign of aging. Fatty acid in this oil will moisturize your skin very well. The second ingredient we will use in this remedy is aloe vera gel. It provides good hydration to your skin, soothen your skin and also give it a beautiful glow. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix in 2 to 3 drops of castor oil. Apply this mask on your face and massage it for 15 to 20 minutes. Second remedy will work for the pigmentation and dark spots. Here we will use almond oil, as we all know that almond helps a lot. It improves your skin complexion and also make your skin look better. Mix 1 tablespoon of almond oil in half tablespoon of castor oil and apply it on face for 15 to 20 minute massage and then rinse with water. Third remedy will work for normal to dry skin people. Here we will use coconut oil. As we all know that besides its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, it boosts the collagen production and reduces the wrinkles and fine lines from your face. Mix equal proportion of both the oils, castor oil and coconut oil, and apply it on face. Gently massage in upward direction. For good results, use all the remedies consecutively for 15 days. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much. Subscribe to this channel.